Hello everyone. This is the week. This is the week that your legal research project is due. It's due by Sunday end of day. I recorded this video one day early because I'm out of town tomorrow and I didn't want to lose track of this important announcement. Your legal research project is due by next week. So when I say next week, that's October 9th. You want to make sure that you have it ready to submit by that time. How do you get to the place where you submit it? Pretty easy. You go over to the folder that says legal research, you click there, and it says legal research video submission and legal research paper submission. That's where you want to put the information regarding your legal research paper there. The instructions are at the top, so make sure that you have everything outlined that you need. Most of you have reached out to me for feedback regarding the formatting of your paper. I've helped you with that, but you can do that. Just don't do it Sunday near the end of your time period because you're not going to have time to edit it. Happy to look at your information though this week. But your legal research paper is due this week. There's nothing else that you have to worry about. There's not a chapter review. There's not anything else. Make sure you focus on writing this paper, getting it done in the way that it's supposed to be as outlined in the instructions, and then posting your video and your paper. If you have any questions related to that, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll probably do another check-in in a few days just to give you a couple more pointers. But I look forward to seeing your video, and I also look forward to reading your paper. Thanks so much.